Our NuBurn is our natural fat burner. It consists of extracts such as bioperine and synephrine that helps to boost your metabolism through a thermogenic effect. It helps to increase fat breakdown and to suppress appetite. It also consists of Avinchiat extract that specifically helps to reduce the amount of absorption of carbohydrates, meaning it actually inhibits certain digestive enzymes responsible to break down those carbohydrates into simple sugars. This means that those carbohydrates get excreted out of the body as a waste product. So the recommended way to drink NuBurn is 2 capsules in the morning and 2 capsules in the afternoon, no later than 2 o'clock.